Welcome to Crypto Gems. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the project known as Cyber Waifu. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency out there. Alright, so this is the website of Cyber Waifu. You can access it by going to cyberwaifu.com. So waifu is a term for a fictional character, usually in anime or related media, that someone has great and sometimes romantic affection for. Waifus has been a focal point of affection from fans all over the world, and it's a mere object for millions to appreciate. However, a group of anime waifus has revolted and taken a stand and decided that they wish to be for your eyes only. So it is known as Cyber Waifu, which is 10,000 randomly generated waifus are waiting to come to you. And Cyber Waifu will have a DAO that purchases and fractionalizes majority blue chip NFTs. And holding a Cyber Waifu also allows you to participate in coordinating the Cyber Waifu Community Treasury. This treasury will be seeded with 100 ETH after the public sale ends. And valuing affection and loyalty, your waifu offers you love tokens for those of you who decide to stake your NFT. Combining love tokens and irresistible Cyber Waifu NFT digital art, their mission is to bring the worlds of anime and crypto together to form a loving and harmonious relationship. And the love token will represent the fractional shares of collection of the blue chip NFT in the world. And Cyber Waifu is also a community-driven collectible NFT project, and every Cyber Waifu NFT is unique and programmatically generated from over 280 possible attributes and traits. And each Cyber Waifu is unique, non-fungible token on the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, your randomly generated waifu will reward you with a unique Cyber Waifu NFT. Also, one of the things I do want to mention is that anyone who kind of gets involved themselves in Cyber Waifu public generation process will receive an exclusive airdrop of another NFT that they can keep. Currently, the price is 0.069 ETH and the gas fees. And the minting day would be from late November to early December. So here is a roadmap, which is the phase 1, where the first minting would happen and 10,000 unique Cyber Waifu would be launched. And minting would be on the website, and there would be listing on the OpenSea. Phase 2, which is the DAO launch. So there would be community voting and selection of rare NFTs to be purchased, and fractionalization begins. Phase 3 is the staking platform launch, where community voting and selection of rare NFTs to be purchased and fractionalization begins. Phase 4 would be free airdrop, so holders of the Cyber Waifu NFT will be airdropped a free naughty NFT. And then phase 5, which is the second mint, over here there would be a breeding between Cyber Waifu and Cyber Husbandu to get a Cyber Chibi. And phase 6, which is the 3D Cyber Waifu for the metaverse. So they will launch 3D characters for the metaverse. And that's a little bit about the project plan. When we take a look at the Twitter page, you can see that it has 13.3k followers, which is quite interesting. And considering the fact that it's still a very new project, it kind of opens up a lot of different type of possibilities. So this is a very interesting and exciting project with a lot of future potential opportunities, and also it's perfect for anybody who's a fan of anime. It's quite uniquely designed. The Twitter is doing really well so far. 13,000 followers is quite impressive, so I'm really excited to see how all of that turns out. So if you would like to know more about this project, please check the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, the comment button, and subscribe button. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.